So this is my first video. Please support me so I can live in YouTube. Thank you. So we're going to play this obby guys. Let's try. But first, this is a secret here. You thought I can just make it? Yeah, I can make it because I'm the best player in this game. This is so easy, dude. You see? Oh, I tell though, it's not. Just kidding, dude. It's easy. I just get out. Cause I'm just lagging. I'm just lag. You see. I told you, I'm lag. Chill, just chill. Bro, please hit the subscribe button, dude. So I can just live in YouTube. I am 0 followers at right now, maybe 2 or 7. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. It's free, bro. Don't want to die this area, bro. What the, bro? Nah, bro, bro. I die, dude. I die. No, I'm gonna take revenge. I'm gonna take revenge. You thought you can just kill me with, bro. I'm so noob at this game, bro. Why my Wi-Fi so low? Oh, I can make it. Because I'm the best. I'm ISO speed, man. I'm real ISO speed. You see that name? You see that name? Real ISO speed. I'm just gonna make here like this. You see that? It's easy, guys. Oh, whoa. I don't want to die here. No, what the hell? Oh, I can just make it. I'm just gonna play with this. But first, let's get the slap. This is giant slap, guys, so we need to make this parkour. Cause it's very nice slaps. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sick right now. I'm sorry for the background noise, guys, cause I don't have a microphone and a headset. Cause I'm only poor, guys. I'm only broke. I'm a broke kid, like you all. I know all kids not broke, but me, I'm a broke kid. I'm playing YouTube because I want to be a rich kid. You see speed? What the hell? You see speed, man? I don't. Okay, guys, I'm gonna beat this level. If I can beat this level in one attempt, you need to like and subs. Alright, come on. This is how you play parkour, guys. I'm not new at this game, you see? See that? I'm the best. You see? See that? I'm the best parkour, guys. Oh, you see? Like, I'm not gonna die here. So easy. Bro! The game is lagging, dude! The game is lagging, guys. The game is bugging. Please like and subscribe. Come on, guys. Just Let me live, guys. Let me live in this YouTube. I want to make. I want to be. What the, bro? If you will not like and subscribe, this and I will slap in your face. You see this, bro? Think about it. Think about it. This big hand slap in your face. You see. Example, this is your face. This is the size of your face. And this biggest hand gonna slap your face. You think, bro, you gonna think you will sleep or you will die. You have two options. I thought you're gonna die. Huh? Like that, bro. The heck? I don't know why Roblox player. If I slap them, they just flying around. They dying, man. They not dying. I don't know why. I know some trollers. Oh, fool. Hey, come here. Please slap your face, idiot. Free. Bro. I'm so lagged, dude. The car is still. I wish I have my own Wi-Fi so I can play. I cannot play. I wish I have. Guys, please help me. Let's have a challenge for 5 years. I'm gonna be content in 5 years. Okay? We're gonna doing some good thing. 5 years, I'm gonna be like speed. Speed friend. Hey, I don't like dummy. Bro, I'm so sorry guys for noisy background. I'm just playing outside. And I don't have microphone guys. I'm really sorry. If you hate it, make your volume slow. I wish I have microphone. I'm really broke, dude. Just like you. You know that. Man, you see? See? I'm not even going up. The Wi-Fi is broke. But I can make some. Bro, please make me up. Bro, see this Wi-Fi, dude? Just look like I'm far away. Man, man, she's now flying. She's now flying. Oh, see that? See that, guys? It's easy, right? To tell. If I can make this guys please like and subs, alright? Bro, she's noob. She's noob as me. We are same, bro. But I did not fall. Bro, I don't want to die. I mean, I don't want to fall. Bro. Oh. Bro, I'm so sorry, dude. I'm so sorry, guys. I really hate to this noisy. Please, just leave me a like, subs. That all make me happy, guys. I know I'm just a noob here in game. Please, make me happy, guys. I'm poor. Here is the. Bro, really, nigga? So that's all for today's video. Bye bye. Let me slap your face first.